So I am in AWS console here. Let us try to open the lambda. So I am going to type a lambda over here. So the first thing is like we need to create a function. I will click create function. So there are built-in lambda functions available over here. So if you want, you can choose the built-in functions, or else you want to create your own function, you can select this one. So you need to give the name of the function. So I am going to give it as my function. So what is the runtime that you are going to choose? So these are some of the languages that are supported by the Amazon Lambda. So I am going to choose Python 3.9. So you can change the execution rules here. You can create your new role, or you can use the existing role. So I am going to create a new role over here. So I will say create the function. So the function is created now. It is successfully created. So we can see that this is the function that will be executed whenever event happens. So let us try to execute this. So what I am going to do is I will go and I will save this, and we need to deploy after saving. So after this I am going to test. So I will say test my event. So just save the event over here. So after that again I am going to execute the test. So this is the execution result. We can see that the body is executed. Whenever the event going to take place, the execution will happen. So suppose say if I make any errors over here, and I'm going to save this, and after saving you need to deploy this, and again we are going to test. So there is a syntax error because I made some error over here. So if you want to fix the error, again you need to place this colon and go and save this and deploy this and test it. So now it is executed successfully. Suppose say I want to execute my own function. So what I am going to do is I will remove this. I am going to the notepad and I am trying to save this. I will copy this and I will paste it over here. So this is the my own function that I have written to check whether the number is even or odd. So what I will do is I will need to configure the test now, because the event needs to be configured. So here I will say number as 10. I will save. So again going to save this thing, and I am going to deploy this, test it over here. So you can see that the number is even. I have given the number as 10. Suppose I want to again configure this, go and configure the test event, and now I will say 11. Let us see what will be the output. I am going to save this, again test this. So number is odd. So this is how we can pass some numbers, and we can use to test whether the number is even or odd. After this I am going to show you the matrix. CloudWatch matrix will be shown. So this is my CloudWatch matrix. We can see that CloudWatch matrix, we can see that how many times it has been executed. 3 times. What is the duration of minimum, maximum and average, you can see over here. So that we can get, and the success rate is 66%, and there is one error that has happened. So this is what the AWS Lambda is all together. If you like this video, subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching this video.